wanted to share with you guys what I got from Nordstrom Rack the other day. These super cute holiday clips. So there's this holiday wreath. I actually don't know how to use it. Maybe you have to fill it up a lot. Yeah. That, and then these holiday clips. Oh, so cute. We'll use that. And maybe this green one, yeah? Okay. I think today I wanted to show you guys some of the Benefit Cosmetics items that I got from my Benefit Advent Calendar. One of them is this one, lightweight moisturizer, basically from Benefit. I love it on the skin because this season it has been extra dry. So dry that even my scalp is super dry. It smells like coconuts, but it's just very light. Oh, gosh, that feels so good. So I have a lot of errands today, going out before Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna just do a very light makeup. I always say that and then I end up doing a whole lot. Benefit blush was also in my advent calendar, and this is in the color Shelly. Looks like this. I love this for the everyday look. And it's perfect for my skin tone. So it's kind of, I want to say like peachy pink. And I love that there's a sheen here. Like I don't even have to put highlighter anymore. But you know, I'm a little extra, so we're gonna do it anyway. Just perfecting my brow a little bit with the Benefit Precision My Brow pencil. Just kind of setting the outline so it's clear. That's it. Okay, just kind of making the lines sharper. I got a full size of this Precision Brow Wax. I love this one. It's particularly for the shape of the wand. But if you want like brow like strokes also, this one, which I also got, this teeny baby gimme brow. So I have both. And it just fills in those gaps that you have in your brows. I love this. These are my ride or dies. Putting away my Too Faced bronzer for a split second for the Hula bronzer by Benefit. It's so tiny, my brush can barely fit in it. Ooh, I love how it warms up the face. Let's see, ooh, it snatched my nose real good. You know, I'll probably title this like my Thanksgiving makeup look. We're very casual, we don't have any guests, but I still do a full-on meal. I was judging how small this package was, but oh my gosh. One of the best highlighters I feel like that I've ever tried. Look how blingy that is. I'm just gonna blend it more and just melt it into that blush. Ooh. And then I don't really use this much because it's super drying, but for you oily girls out there, this is really going to mattify you. So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna take one for the team. So light, I can't even feel it. Did I put anything on there? Okay, probably a little too much. Benefit Roller Lash. This is one of my favorite ones out of the many mascaras that I got in my advent calendar. So much for the no makeup look, huh? And just the final touch. This is by Tower 28. Look how creamy and juicy my lips look. Get my... Ow! Isn't this the cutest? So that is it. Simple and sweet. Check out my full unboxing of the Benefit Cosmetics Advent Calendar. And with that said, bye!